Recording in progress.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. How are you guys? Hope you guys are doing amazingly well. In this video, we'll talk about the registration, books, what and all changes in each subject has occurred, and finally, my recommendation. And there is a giveaway to all my brothers and sisters. So, what's till the end? So, let's start with the video. First, talking about the registration, there is no registration for the conversion into new syllabus. It is completely automatic. So every student will go to new syllabus without any registration. There is no fees to be paid for converting into new syllabus. First, second, how many subjects are there? There are totally 6 subjects for CA Inter, and there are totally 6 subjects for CA Final. What about these six? They were totally 8 subjects, and now it is into 6 subjects for CA Inter. What and all? First, in advanced accounting, there were in CA Inter group there was advanced accounting. Now there is only one advanced accounting, that is in group one. The accounting in group 1 and advanced accounting in group 2 has been merged into advanced accounting in group 1. Then there is EIS SM and there is FM Eco. This has been combined and now there is only FM and SM. So there are totally 6 papers in inter group in inter. Now, what about final? Final, they have removed the law, corporate and economic law, and they have removed SCMPE. Yes, so there are totally 6 subjects in a group inter. There are 6 subjects in final. There are 4 subjects in foundation as well. Now, coming to what and all changes have been made in inter and final. If you see inter accounting, they have removed single entry, they have removed partnership, they have removed department, which was there in the group 2 advanced accounting. Now what and all are there? There is 26 accounting standards, CFS, amalgamation, financial statements, buyback. Then there is in branch accounting and reconstruction. All these and all are there. Yes. So removal has been made was partnership, department, and single entry. Now coming to law, the law there was Indian Contract Act and there was a Negotiable Instrument Act. Now those two particular chapters has been removed and they have bought in Foreign Exchange Management Act and they have bought in LLP, Limited Liability Partnership Act. And in Companies Act, they have included one new chapter, companies incorporated outside India as well. Now, what about taxation? They have added accounts and records, place of supply, e-way bill. What about audit? They have included ethics and completion and review, but they have removed company audit. What about FMSM? In FM remains the same. In SM, earlier there were 8 chapters, now there are 5 chapters only. This is the changes which has made in CA Inter. What about CA Final? In FR, they have removed CSR and integrated reporting. What have they added? They have added ethics and communication, ethics and accounting and technology. What about SFM? Earlier it is called SFM. Now it is called as AFM. In AFM, they have added capital budgeting, and earlier the teachers were used to teach capital budgeting for cost accounting students. Now so do not worry. Every teacher teaches you capital budgeting. So do not worry about that. Now coming to audit. Company audit has been removed. Caro is there, and they have also removed fiscal law, peer review, insurance, audit committee, corporate governance, liability of auditors, management and operational audit. Now, instead of CFS, they have changed it to group audit. Instead of the name audit and or automated environment, they have changed into name digital auditing and assurance, and few topics also have been included in this. What about auditing standards? They have added 10 to 12 auditing standards. What about sustainable development goals? This also has been added. Sustainable development goals also have been added. What about direct tax audit and black money audit? This has been included. Earlier, DT and international taxation 70:30. Now that percentage has been removed. There is no 70:30. They can ask for international taxation, they can ask for 40 or 20 or 50. So there is no bifurcation. Earlier there was bifurcation. Now there is no bifurcation for DT and international taxation. What about IDT? GST 80 marks and custom 20 marks. In custom, they have removed duty drawback. Yes, these are the changes they have made. These are the changes they have made. Now you will have a question. So which subject I have to take? Which group I have to take? Whether group 1 or group 2 for inter and final, which I'll talk a little later. Now we'll go into one thing, book. Which book I have to, whether I have to purchase book for money or not. Simple. If you have never purchased book from ICAI, from CDS portal, you can purchase the book for free. But if you have already purchased the old syllabus book, then for CA foundation, you have to get it for 500 rupees. For CA inter and CA final, you have to give 1000 rupees. That's how you can purchase the book. Now, what about the self-paced examination? That's a self-paced examination. Those who have cleared inter group 1, they have to write self-paced set A, set B, set C, and set D. Those who have cleared inter group 2, they have to write set A and set B, and set C or set D is an option. You can either choose set C or set D. Kindly also see set D as well. Set D has lot of things you can learn newly. I again recommend. Now, those who have studied those who have passed the final group 1, they have to write only set B. And those who have cleared final group 2 alone, they have to write final group 1. They have to clear set A. Yes. And what about this final group 1? See, law has been removed. So that's why those who are writing group 1 has to write corporate and economic law set A. Those who have cleared group 1 and those who are writing group 2, there is no SCMP. That's why you have to write set B SCMP subject as self-paced examination. But those who have cleared inter both the groups, they have to write only set A and set B. Set C or set D is removed for them. Yes, yes. Now, talking about exemptions. So what are the exemptions, sir? See, those who have cleared inter group 1, they have to write only FM and SM and audit. FMSM and audit. These are the 2 subjects alone. Now, those who have cleared inter group 2, they have to write law, they have to write taxation, they have to write costing. These are the 3 subjects you have to write. No accounting. Now, those who have cleared final group 1, you have to write only final group 2 subjects. Yes, DT, IDT, IBS. Those who have cleared in final group 2, you have to write only final group 1. FR, AFM, and superb audit. But those who have cleared final group 1 and elective paper is an exemption. Final group 1 and elective paper is an exemption. You have to write only DT and IDT. So this is the group wise exemption. Group 1 exemption you have cleared or group clear. This is how you have to write the exam. What about only exemptions? For example, if you have cleared, if you cleared accounting, you don't have to write advanced accounting. If you cleared AFM, if you have cleared costing, you don't have to write costing paper. If you have cleared audit, you don't need to write audit. DT, you don't need to write DT. The individual subjects is allotted like that. But if you now coming to a lot of students who have doubt on this, those who have cleared FM and ECO, you don't have to write FMSM. Those who have also cleared EISSM, the exemption, they also don't have to write FMSM paper. Sir, and those who have cleared elective paper, they don't have to write IBS group 2. In final group 2, those who have cleared elective paper, they don't have to write IBS paper. So yes or no? Yes. Now, talking about in case of exemption, for the next 3 attempts, you have been exempted. For example, and mark wise also, you have to get minimum 40, aggregate 50%. I'll come up with an example. Let's say in one subject you got exemption. You got 60 marks. So you have to get aggregate 50% and minimum 40 marks also. So let's take 60 mark you got in one subject. There are remaining 2 subjects. Okay, so you have to get aggregate 50%. So out of 300 marks, you have to get 150 marks. In one subject, you got 60 marks. So remaining how much you have to get? 90 marks you have to get, but minimum you have to get 40 marks in both the subjects. So which is you got one subject 40. So 60 plus 40, 100. Now remaining how much you have to get? 50. So the third subject you should not get 40, you have to get 50 marks. So that comes to 150. I hope you guys understood this. Yes. Now, but after 3 attempts, the exemption is exhausted and minimum you have to get 50% mark. Understood? Good. Now, my recommendation. First, before recommendation, when will the exams be? So generally, I think it will be on May 20. May 20 will be the examination. I hope you guys, those who are giving now, earlier they were both the groups. There are totally 8 subjects. Now there are only 6 subjects. So those who are writing group only, they want to choose only one group to write. I suggest in CA final go for only group 1. Don't write group 2. The reason is you don't know about IBS, how they will ask. You can come up with a lot of theories. Only when they ask only when they ask, that's when you will know. But if you're writing both the groups, to go and write both the groups, it will be easy. Trust me, it will be easy. But if you're choosing only one group to write, kindly go with group 1, because you don't know how they will ask IBS. You can only this attempt they will know how the question paper will be set properly. Yes, and I hope I will talk about. I'll make a new video about IBS, how they may ask. Yes, good. Now, what about inter? See, inter, there is costing paper, which for a lot of students it's difficult. Inter, when it comes to costing paper, then there is FM. FM. If you see FM, FM, it is difficult, and if you see the past papers also, the FM questions are coming difficult. And what about SM? It's a theory paper, and audit is a theory paper for CA Inter. Yes. So, and what about group 1? Group 1 is easier, and there are a lot of practical papers. So I suggest you guys to go for group 1. Yes. This is my recommendation. Final go for group 1. Inter, go for group 1. But those who are going for group 2, all your classes should get over by February 20 or 25 maximum by Feb 20, because you need at least 2.5 months of self-study. So maximum by Feb 20 you have to complete. Yes, but if one subject, only for 1 or 2 subjects, you can take into 1st March or 10th March. Yes, good. Now, this is my recommendation. I told you I'll be giving a giveaway. What is the giveaway? If you see, I teach for CA Inter Law. Okay, if you buy my main book, then you will get free classes. So for a lot of students, I'm going to give a refund. For a lot of students who's going to purchase my main book, they will get main book, and they will get classes for free. Both I'll give for a lot of students. Yes, this is one. And so a lot of students will think, so what if I don't get? So I'm giving to all CA who's purchasing my book. For a lot of students, I'll be giving the refund of who purchased my main book, and those students who don't get the refund, I'll be giving a giveaway, a particular giveaway. Yes. So who purchases my book, who purchases my main book, they will be getting giveaway for all students. And in May, in before the examination, I will disclose to how many students. Lord, that I have. I'm not saying the number now, but in before May exam, I'll tell the number is big. I'm giving class. I'm giving the classes and book for free. So I hope everybody purchases my book. I'm going to give the refund. This is for only for May 2024 exams. Yes. So a lot of students were asking me, it's a new syllabus, what? So this is for free to all my brothers and sisters. So immediately go to www.hassanaacademia.com and purchase my classes. Lot of students, for every law students will get a giveaway. Yes, yes. So thank you for watching my video, and for more motivational videos, subscribe to my channel.